Hi guys, Maggie Make It Go here with another how-to video. We post videos every Friday on crafts, home improvement, DIY, business advice, and other things. If there's anything you want to see, please let us know in the comments and we'll see if we can get a video up for you. Enjoy this video. So here's my dog. I wanted to make sure that I could protect his paws when we went walking outside and it was really, really hot. I ordered these booties off eBay. They just have a simple pad at the bottom, 2 Velcro strips, and they're made of quite almost a wetsuit material. And then this one is a little bit canvasy, rubbery. They seem to be quite good quality and they were really, really cheap. I got 4 of them. The way that you measure your dog's paw is there'll be a measurement across this way and one across that way as well. I'll put on screen what size I got. So my dog is he's half English Staffy and half Shar-Pei. So he is a medium to large dog. He weighs 26 kilos. He does have quite big feet, but I'd probably go with a larger size. You do have the Velcro that you can tighten it with. Up, up. Up, up. Good boy. You put your booties on. We'll go for a walk. Sit. Come here. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to blur my dog's private parts. I haven't. Please ignore them. Put your shoe on. So you do want to make sure that you don't catch any of his claws, especially if your dog has dew claws. So Doza has 3. And one of them is particularly loose, I guess you would say. So yeah, just make sure when you're putting on any sort of dog boots, you are very careful of the dew claws. You do want to make sure that his foot does go into, as far as you can, into the boot. So get it as far into the boot as you can. I really don't know what happened there. He got a sort of weird fright and then he stood quite bizarrely. So don't worry about my dog if you were. He was fine. But yeah, I do realise he does look quite awkward. Good boy. As you can tell, I have a lot of good boys. He is a very good boy, but he obviously needs to be told quite often. Good boy. I put the bottom Velcro on first and then the top Velcro to make sure it was tight. That's why I say it's better to get a bigger size than a smaller size. So you want to make sure that the whole pad of his foot is covered with the part of the boot that's supposed to go on the ground. It's okay if there's a little bit extra, but if there's not enough, I think that would be quite uncomfortable for your dog. Doing the front paws like this is an option, but when you do the back paws, I found it was a lot easier to do that whilst we were both standing on the ground, and I would then straddle him and reach down and do those. This last one you'll see that I didn't quite get on properly, so just make sure after you've put all 4 boots on your dog, have a look at them whilst they're walking and just adjust any that are falling off or have spun around. Good boy. Put your shoe on. Good boy. Good boy. Come here. Good boy. Good boy. Come here. Oh, your shoe is crooked. Mummy fix it? Come here. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Come on, let's go. Come on. Those are... Come here. Come here. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. How's your new shoes? How's your new shoes? Are they good? How's it going? So when your dog first has these shoes on, they may walk a little bit funny, so I would suggest just trying them out to start with, which is what I just did. As you can see, he wasn't very happy about it. He didn't hate them, but he just wasn't that happy. So I actually filmed that the evening before, and then the next day we went for a walk, and just being outside he was much more comfortable. And yeah, so you can see a few videos here of him walking. Come on, as you can see, he sort of trots along. I got him walking on sharp rocks and running, and yeah, he's definitely happy in them. He didn't trip over them any more than he normally trips over his own feet. But yes, I took them off about halfway through the walk, just because it wasn't hot, so we didn't need them. And my dog can't swim, so the other dogs already make fun of him, so I didn't want them to make fun of him unnecessarily. Good boy. So, good. Yeah, I would definitely recommend these. He's fine with them, has full mobility. They were super easy to take off with one hand while I was out walking him. Good boy. You can see that they're not that dirty. I was only walking for about 10 minutes or so, but they seem pretty good quality, so I think they're going to wear well. And then we walked home without the boots. And then he accidentally peed on one of them, so I had to wash it. These washed really well. Obviously I'm just doing it with one hand here, but because they're that sort of wetsuit material, they didn't take long to dry at all. I think you could just use normal soap, or if you're a bit worried about it, you can use dog shampoo. So these were easy to wash and easy to put on. You do have to make sure that you put them on properly, but overall I'm really happy with them. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Just remember, we do put out new videos every Friday. If there's something that you want us to do, please let us know in the comments. Subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so that you can see whenever we post a new video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.